cross the bridge and do well and do better for our country. Even some of the challenges we face now in the education sector, where there's a big uncertainty, and I saw so many questions from you about what's happening in the education sector. It is true, because what you need in any education in any country is a well-resourced school, a well-trained teacher, and a child with hope. Now we are seeing cases where, because you know, if you follow, President Mwai Kibaki started with free education and opened the doors and windows of school for every kid to come in. Uhuru Kenyatta followed with 100% transition so that we retain our children in school, and we started reworking our curriculum to be sure that we have a curriculum that is responsive to the market needs that we had. And we've continued in this way. You know, we used to transfer money to schools, 1,400 for primary kids capitation. Now here it has been rationalized downwards. 22,000 for secondary school kids. Now here it has been rationalized downwards. And now in some cases it's not coming in. I speak sometimes to school teachers and principals, and they are really stressed about this and so on and so forth. Because policy certainty is necessary in the education sector. We will get together, we will put ourselves together and ensure that as we move forward, we resolve these issues. We are a resilient country. We have sufficient resources to move our country to the next level. Some of these challenges we face are momentary. Finally, because I would like to take a few questions from you and I want to hear you.